Hi guys, my name is Akansha Matthews, and I will be starting my journey for YouTube. I have a channel. I just post videos on my channel, on this channel where you are at. Just some dance videos and fun masti wala videos with my friends. So I've never really officially blogged or vlogged as such. But yeah, this is my first attempt, and I think I should give it a shot. So here I am. Right. So, like I said, my name is Akansha. I do like making videos. I have done it at my workplace. I have never attempted a video for YouTube for such large audience. I've never done that, but I always wanted to. So I really hope and appreciate your support and all of you who are watching. So also, by the way, I am shooting this video in the night, so you might hear some dogs barking because I'm in my drawing room, and a bit of the noise of my fan because, well, it is an old fan. So please ignore that. Right, so my channel will be all about everything under the sun. We will talk about shopping, we will talk about experiences, and we will talk about just everything and anything you want to talk about, or anything I would like to share with you guys. Today's video, I would want to share a few things that I bought from different websites over the internet, and I just want to let you know how the products turn out to be, what I think about them, and just in case if you are looking forward to buy these things, kudos, go ahead, they will really be helpful. Having said that, there are also certain alternate options that you can go for, which of course I'll let you know. Some kind of skincare products I will show, not as in creams and cosmetics, none of those, but something that we can intake and feel beautiful and healthy from inside. Right, so we are going to talk about food, we are going to talk about internal beauty, of course internal beauty, and something that we can intake for our skin. We're also going to talk about a few things that I bought for myself which I use on a daily basis, and which has really helped me to maintain my house and also help me cut a little bit of cost there, so, or maybe replace the cost. So without further ado, let us get started. So let's have a look. Right, so first I'll start with the skincare that I informed you about, and I'm gonna take a sip of that. I'll tell you what that is. So that is this Chic Nutrix supplements. That is, you can look at their page on Instagram. You can have you can just put their name in Google. So I'll read it out to you. So this is the Super C Amla Zinc Extract with natural vitamin C for skin protection. So these are effervescent tablets. So what that means is you just have to take one tablet out, put it in a glass of water, and let it make it frizz, let it bubble it up for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then you can drink it normally. If you want, you can put it in like cold water. I have a bad sinus problem, so I put it in normal room temperature water. Right, so this is one of them. So this is basically the vitamin C and zinc tablet. That's one I take every day, one tablet. Also because to be honest, I won't hide my age, I am in my 30s. More or less, I have crossed my 30s. I'll be turning 31 this July, and as women grow in age, we definitely lack calcium, that's for sure. Vitamin C, we all know, is really good for health, really good for skin, especially in these time of coronavirus. I believe everybody's taking vitamin C. But what is also really good for skin is zinc, which most of us, we don't give much heed to its importance in our day-to-day food intake or supplements intake, but we should, because I have seen friends who have deficiency of zinc, and they get like patches on their neck or their cheeks. So doctors have advised them to take zinc supplements as well. And I would say especially we as women, we don't tend to keep nowadays. We do take care of ourselves, but especially if you talk about our moms or grandmoms, they were not really into taking care of themselves. But yeah, what we do, so this is one thing that I take, the vitamin C and zinc supplement. That's one. Well, the other one is also from Chic Nutrix, if you can see. Yeah, this is their hair supplement. I'll read it out to you what it says. It says Bounce Hair Recovery Complex with biotin and selenium for good hair day every day. So that is what it is, guys. Again, biotin we all are aware of now. We take capsules for that. We take different sorts of other gummy bears and all those things that are out there in the market. That's also one way of consuming biotin. But this thing I like because this does not have biotin. It also has selenium, which also helps having you a good hair growth, a good maintained scalp, good maintained hair, no dryness. So yes, if you do take it regularly, you will definitely be able to see the difference. Also, you can order these in pack of 1, pack of 2, or even pack of 4s. So I ordered these two. This is also pack of 2, this is also pack of 2, because I have tried their pack of 1. So I tried it for a month and I really liked it, hence I ordered the pack of 2. So these two are from the same company, Chic Nutrix. I will mention their name, their link. You can buy this from Nykaa, you can buy this from Amazon, you can buy this from their website as well, that is Chic Nutrix. So you can buy it from anywhere now. This is really good, and I think this really will help you. Just give it a try. Just start with one. Well, moving forward, I also have this one. So this basically is the Daily Greens. This is from the company Wellbeing Nutrition. Again, you will be able to find their page on Instagram. You will be able to see them on Amazon a lot. This company is, when you look for supplements in terms of effervescent supplements, you will be able to see this. It is there on Amazon, it is there on Instagram as well. You can check out their page, or of course their website. Again, so I'll let you know what this contains and why this, I think this is important for not just for us women, for everybody rather. So first I'll start. It says 1 full serving of greens plus veggies. It has spinach, it has kale, it has wheatgrass, it has moringa, it has spirulina, it has aloe vera, chlorella, alfalfa, ashwagandha, and broccoli. So basically 29 natural fruit and vegetable and herbs are mixed in this. So you can see, I'll put it to the screen, and I'm not sure if my camera is able to catch the zoom or not. I don't think it is, but yes, I'll share the link as well. You can definitely check that. Again, this daily dose of green is necessary. I think most of us, we especially if we were working as well, when we were in the office or when we are out in our regular lives before the lockdown, that is, I think we somewhere down the line cut out on our greens portion in our daily meals. We don't eat that much green. We usually prefer fast food. Most of us, if we are non-vegetarian, of course we'll have non-veg, and it has its own health benefits, but green will give you a lot of chlorophyll in your body, and this is really important. And even be it if you're a vegetarian, if you're non-vegetarian, you should have your quotient up for green. So you can, if you don't like eating green vegetables, if you don't like ladyfinger, if you don't like tinde, if you don't like begging, you can definitely avoid those things. You can definitely if you don't like methi or palak, or you don't like the taste, for one, I don't make all those fancy smoothies that we see on Instagram, quick videos that we is just there, that we make with Greek yogurt. And spinach and kale and wheatgrass. I don't do that. I don't put wheatgrass in a glass of water and drink. However, I think this is very good because it has all the things in one capsule, so everything in one, and I take this one tablet every day. So this is my quotient of green. That's how I complete greens if I don't want to eat green. Also, this is organic, this is plant-based green, and this is gluten free, this is vegan, this is also sugar free, and this does not contain allergens, and it is also GMP certified. So it is a certified nutrition supplement. So this I take. That's the third one again. And moving forward, this is something new that I haven't tried yet. So these three I've been taking. These three of these I've been taking since last year. So from the starting of this year, I did not take it because याद छूट गई थी आदत, so I did not. But now I'm back to these. However, this one is a new one. I still have to give it a try. This is also from the company Wellbeing Nutrition. It's their Skin Fuel Bioactive Skin Properties. Now this is a catch for me because it has bioactive skin peptides. What it means is it has collagen, it has glutathione. I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry for that. But it has hyaluronic acid, it has matcha green tea, it has aloe vera, it has grape seed, it has vitamin C and E, blueberry and goji berry. So well, I'll just show it to you. I don't know how well can you see this, but yeah, this is how it is. So yeah, this is another thing. This is also from the same company as this Daily Greens one, same company, Wellbeing Nutrition. You can find this on Instagram. Now why I like this, why I was attracted to buying this is because of the fact that I am a big fan of hyaluronic acid. I really like it. And before this lockdown, I was seeking a skin treatment from a dermatologic clinic. I was there, and they informed me about peels and collagens and all those retinols and all those things, how they're important for the skin. So I was seeking that treatment. I just took one sitting of that. I had a chemical peel of lactic acid, just the basic one, not too harsh, because it was my first time. So this I like because of course these things do make a difference when you apply it on your face physically, daily, of course. So we are all going crazy about how wonderful hyaluronic acid is, and how collagen is good for your wrinkles, how retinol is so good for your skin, vitamin C, E, of course we know. But the thing is that not everybody would buy all those expensive creams or take expensive treatments to get all those things gushed into their skin, right? So if you don't want that, or you don't have time, you don't want to spend your money on really expensive treatments and products, what you can do is you can go for these. Again, these are effervescent tablets. So you just fill a glass of water, cold or room temperature, not in hot water. I would also say not in too much of a cold water. You can have it in like before you want to take it, you can take out the cold water and just put it outside for like 10 minutes, and after that you can just drop in your tablet and have this. Just drink it up slowly, not in one go. So you can do this. And I haven't tried this. This is my first bottle. This will be my first tablet. I will drink it in front of you. Now here's the thing. This is my own personal opinion. I am no professional, definitely no professional. You can see my skin, how it looks. But yeah, what I thought is that when we put all those masks, all those serums, all different sorts of eye creams, we do it on the night, and then we go to sleep and we let it work on our skin, and then we wake up in the morning, we wash face, and we replenish our skin again, we moisturize, and we do all those things. But yes, the most effective serums and night creams which contain all these things that I just read out, we usually do that in the night, right? So this is what I wanted to do before I go to sleep. At least half an hour or an hour before I doze off, I thought I'll take it towards the night so that it stays in my system and works its magic. But definitely it will not give you results in one night or 2 nights. I would say you have to continue this because everything, you know, if you don't continue, it will not work. So yes, I've taken this. So actually I have a glass, I have a mug here. This is the mug, this is the big coffee mug. I fill in my water in this. I drop one of these tablets every few hours in the water and I drink it. Now the best part is, you know, this also increases your water intake, right? So I know it says that, you know, we have to drink 8 glasses of water, 3 liters of water. Some people do that, some people even have those tumblers filled up. For me, I do have a brass bottle filled up just because of its good component. However, I don't really drink that much water. I forget about it. I get busy with work. I have a lot of pets, so I get busy with them. Or, you know, I just skips my mind. I mean, I know it's really healthy for me. It just skips my mind. So when I take 4 of these, I mean, if I'm not taking these at all, I used to drink 3 to 4 glasses of water. That's it in like whole 24 hours. Now that I have these 4 गिलास तो मेरे यहीं पर हो गए. I have completed my 4 glasses here, right? So and then normally any which ways I'm drinking a 3 to 4 glass of water with, like, after the meal, or you know, throughout the day 3 to 4 glass. So this will having these things will also increase your water intake, which is definitely the best thing that you can do. It will flush out your toxins normally as well. And if you are somebody like me who do not drink that much water or just forgets to drink water and the water is just lying there, you know, if you start doing this, it will become a habit, and you'll be habitual of, you know, drinking water. You'll be thirsty every few hours. So any which way, then longer, and your water intake will increase. Okay, so having said that, so I'm gonna have this like right now. So here's my cup, here's my glass of water. So I'm gonna just pour the water in here. I'm just gonna keep this away. And oh my god. And, okay. So this is how the tablet looks like. And one more thing, you know, so I'll show it to you. So, you know, you just, I don't know if you can see, I don't think you can see, but oh, I took the water. So okay, so any which ways, you know, you just drop it in, let it frizz, and then you can drink it after a few seconds, right? Also these comes in different flavors. Okay, so this one is blueberry and mint flavor, this one is raspberry, this one is raspberry, this one is blueberry, this one is let's have a look, this one is orange, I think. We'll have that in the, yeah, this is orange flavor. Here it's orange, and yeah, this is raspberry. This is, of course, it will taste a bit odd because it has a lot of greens, but once you get used, you know, once your tongue and your taste buds gets used to of this, you would want to have this. So yes, you'll enjoy different flavors of water going on inside of you with a lot of good things. So that's that. I'm going to cover eateries first. Secondly, what I discovered, because I don't have a sweet tooth, for the longest time I did not have sugar in my home. I have stopped taking sugar. I used to have jaggery powder instead of that, or no sugar for that matter. I don't have that much of a sweet tooth. Even chocolate ice cream stay in my house, but I do keep them because I also have a low BP. But because I don't have that much of a sweet tooth, I cannot take loads of chocolate. I can't take big chunks, and you know, when I'm just eating chocolate thing, I don't like it for some reason. Hate me for it, but I just know I'm a sweet tooth. It's not that much for me. I mean, not a big deal for me is what I'm trying to say, right? So I got these. This is my third packet. not in this month, over the months, like within like 4 months. This is my third packet, and it was this small only, right? So I just stored it. This is Hershey's Kisses in cookies and cream, creamy white chocolate with cookie bits. So this is what it is. Yeah. Now what are these? These are very very teeny tiny chocolates like this, very small as you can see. Works for me. So I just open one and then eat it, or when my BP is low I just grab one and eat it. This is not too much sweet, this is not too much not sweet. It gives you the chocolate flavor, and this comes this Hershey ones comes in different flavors. Like this one is cookie and cream. I really like cookies and cream. There's also one hazelnut and pure chocolate and all sorts of other flavor. So you can buy this. Again, this you will find, this is for 50 rupees, and you will be able to find it on any grocery website like Big Basket or Grofers. You can find it on Amazon. I think you can even find it on Flipkart now. If anywhere they are delivering groceries or all products rated like that, you will be able to find that, or you can even find it in your local stores, general stores. So this is a packet of 33 grams. This is for 50 rupees. I'm sorry, I'll let you know the price for this as well. So the first one that I showed you, the vitamin C one, the pack of one, actually this was a pack of 2, so it costed me 350 for 2, and it contains 20 effervescent tablets. So basically you will get 40 effervescent tablets for 350 rupees. I have got like other tube lying over there. Now this one is a bit costly for the hair that I told you. This is from Chic Nutrix, and this contains again 20 effervescent tablets. This is a pack of 2, and this is for 720 rupees. So instead of spending a couple of thousands on parlors getting high-end treatments, of course they will work and they have the benefits. Of course, if you like buying expensive skincare creams and you want to follow that particular routine, you can definitely do that. But this I think this works the best for people like me who don't get time, or who are very lazy, or you just forget to do your skincare routine. But this cost me around 2,500 or 2,000 bucks for pack of 2. Please remember this, I'm getting a lot of tablets and it will cover a month and a half for me, right? So yeah, this works best for me, and it works from inside. Of course, this one contains 15 tablets, right? Let me have a look. Yeah, 15 effervescent tablets, and this one is for, let me see, oh, here it is. This is a bit costly again. I bought like pack of 2s or pack of 3s because I have used it. You can buy a pack of 1, that will be much cheaper. I'll definitely put in the link down below. You can check the price of pack 1, but however I bought a multi-pack, so this costed me 590 rupees, right? Again, this is the new one. I again bought a pack of 2 because it has all those hyaluronic acid, collagens and all those things, and it will work from the inside. So and this is a pack of 2 again with 15 tablets from Wellbeing Nutrition. This is 999 bucks for pack of 2 for 15. So basically I got 30 tablets of these, 30 tablets of this in 999, 30 tablets of this in 590, right? And 40 tablets of this in 720 for the hair, and for 390 I got 40 tablets of vitamin C and zinc, right? So this is done, and my goji berry is flavor. It's a very beautiful blue flavor. Wow, I really like it. So I'm gonna drink that and I'm gonna shoot more. Next thing I really like, actually I discovered this. I have eyeing this one for a really long time. It was always out of stock, and finally I was able to grab my hand on this baby. So this is delicious, let me read it, chunky continental chicken spread. Oh, this is so amazing. Once you have this, you will never go back to anything, right? You just want to have it more and more. This will be your favorite, right? So this also comes in this little chotu trial pack. So you can definitely, if you want to check out the flavors, for they have different flavors, different sauces, and they have mustard chicken, and they have all sorts of fancy flavors. So you can definitely check that. I really like this one. So it does come in small trial packets like this. This is a chotu packet, and this contains this much spread only. So you can check that. You can get a hang of the taste. If you like it, if your family like it, then they will probably invest in a bigger bottle. So this chotu one costed me this is for 39 rupees, so it's really not expensive. If you want to just give it a try and see how this is, you can definitely do that. It is worth it. So this is the big bottle is for 199 rupees, and this flavor is always out of stock. So but yeah, because I keep checking their websites again and again, and I really wanted to buy that. I have their app, so I keep an eye on that. So yeah, this is, I'm just checking how much is the quantity of this. This is 200 grams of 199. This is the big bottle. So this is one decent purchase I was wanting to buy. And what I really liked about Licious, this was the first time I ordered Licious. A lot of people told me to order like chicken or non-veg, fish and all sorts of those things from Licious, but I never got a chance. But I really like the spreads. I ate it today morning. It arrived. I didn't have my breakfast, so I just put the spread on. I also ordered salami from them. So my cook, she made breakfast, so I made egg, chicken, salami sandwich. Yeah, that was it. With a little bit of butter and a cup of tea. So and this comes in really nice sturdy boxes. So the boxes is really good. So your things will not fall out. So that's a plus point. Also, it comes in a really good bag. I'll show it to you, and I'll tell you why. It comes in a really good bag which says Licious, and the product was in that large box, hard box, sorry. Yeah, but yeah, it comes in this bag which says Licious. This is a very nice bag. Now for somebody, I don't know if you guys have this or not, but I am someone who likes collecting good bags, because I don't know, you have to give something to somebody. You can of course not give it in Licious, I'm just saying. But yeah, they do have handy good bags, right? And some stores still serve it. The third thing I have, it's probably melting, is this ice cream. Now this is again this I gave it a try. This is some company called Rupa Ice Cream, Rupa Dairy Farms. Now I know the name sounds a bit like kya Rupa ki ice cream kha rahi hai type se na, achhi jagah kha le. Believe me, I have tried, but if you are in Delhi, you have Zomato, just type Rupa ice cream, search for it. They are located in Patparganj area, right? They will home deliver you ice cream even in the night. I ordered this at around 3:30. I got it by 4 few days ago, and believe it, it is worth it. It is worth it. This is the vanilla tub, because they only had this one option in vanilla. So what I do is basically, if I want to try a new place, especially in ice creams, I go for vanilla, because it's a very safest option, right? So I ordered this big one of vanilla, so I didn't want my money to go waste for it. If I try any fancy flavor, if the quality is not good, I will not like it, and the whole tub goes waste. I don't want that. So vanilla is safer. I like vanilla, all-time favorite. So I ordered this. It is really good. I think it is melting. It has melted, see. But yeah, it does not have that quality walls type of vanilla. However, I'll tell you, if you had natural ice creams, French vanilla or plain French vanilla, it has a light creamish color to it. So but that is still a bit raw, the natural ice cream ones. This one is a bit creamy, so if you like that texture, you can definitely go go to the website, or go to Zomato and order yourself one, or from Swiggy, whatever you use. Also, I tried their rubbery kulfi flavor. I ordered a little cup. They had the little cup option, and oh my god, that was so tasty. So once I finish this, I am ordering that. It is really tasty. Yeah, I know. I said I don't have a sweet tooth, but I don't like all those heavy ice creams. I like plain flavors, like vanilla, or if I want to try, I try those little cups once in a while. And this also has been lying, or if I have some friends over or guests over, they can go to my fridge and have one if they would feel like having a scoop. Third thing I want to show you guys is, of course, Nutella. Everybody should have Nutella. Everybody should have Nutella. When once this gets over, I always make sure that I'm getting this thing. You can get it anywhere, stores, your online, और ये जनरल स्टोर्स ऑल्सो कीप दिस, जो कि वो जो गली पे होते हैं उनके पास भी ये न्यूट्रीला, तो दे हैव इट. I recently tried a dish. I saw it on Instagram, quick cooking videos. It was a reel. Basically, it was how to make Nutella French toast. Right. So I believe all of us in India, we have tried French toast, and yes, if we have all seen Queen, that is not at all the toast that the French eat. But yes, that is our desi version of French toast. So yeah, what you can do is, before you do that, you can, or you know what, I'll put a recipe in another video. I'll show you how I make Nutella French toast, but I'll give you an insight. So basically, you just have to, between two eggs, put the Nutella, put it together, put it in your French toast batter, just fry the thing and just eat it. The Nutella will just melt like anything, just melt. So if you are looking for a midnight snacks, I would say, instead of ordering momos or late night junk food, you can definitely have these quickies, or if you have these spreads, you can quickly put it on a piece of bread and you can just have it. Also for breads, I have started eating multigrain breads. Previously I used to have brown breads, now I have multigrain breads. I'll tell you why. Just try making a switch to multigrain bread. It is a wheat bread, but when you toast it, they have multigrains on its edges, right? So when you toast it, it becomes really crunchy when you eat it. So I personally like it. They have pumpkin seeds on the side, the flax seeds or sunflower seeds, all sorts of different seeds are put together towards the side of the bread, and it's another way of getting seeds into your diet, right? It's a good way. Some people do eat flax seeds just like that. They're eating like the trail mixes, but I don't, though I do have a lot of flax seeds lying around in my house, but I don't. But yeah, this is a good way of having, because these seeds usually also have they're hot in nature, right? They can heat up your stomach and you might react to them, right? You might not suit them if you have them in large quantities. So this is a safer way, I would say, at least for me. I can get my share of at least a handful of seeds, or less than that, every day. It contains omega-3 acids, guys. Seeds contains omega-3 acid. It is good for your eyesight, definitely good for your skin, and it is wheat, so you can definitely try if you want to make a switch to a much healthy version of your breads. You can definitely do that. Now coming to some other things, something for the home that I bought. Also, this Rupa ice cream also came in a very nice bag. I was surprised. This is a nice sturdy bag, when you go to the shops and they give you, this is that bag. So I am definitely keeping this. I am a big bag person. I have a big bag for all my bags, right? So yeah, just a moment, and this is good, nice flavor. Next thing, I am a lip protector. I protect my lips all my life, so I look for Vaseline, a good one, and it is really hard to find a good Vaseline. So here it is. This is the Vaseline Cocoa Butter Rich Conditioning Jelly. So this is a very big tub. This is for, let me have a look. This is for 250 ml. It's written right over here. 250 ml. I got it from Amazon, and this is for $6.95, and this will last you forever. This is worth buying if you are someone who is really fed up of those chapped lips and you don't want to. I don't usually use lip balms, especially when I'm home. When I'm out, of course, I use lip balms. I use the tinted ones. But when I'm home, I really like this. I need to have my big tub of Vaseline or any lip protector. So when if I don't have it near me, I don't feel that I'm at home. So this is something that I keep by my bedside always, and I've been doing this for years, and this has really worked for me well. I used to get really chapped lips to the extent that they start bleeding in your sides, right? So I had those. So I've been so a doctor recommended go for Vaseline. So since then I'm using this. If I don't get Vaseline, I don't use that normal Vaseline, that little blue thingy that you get, the blue one that we get in the stores. I don't use that. Somehow I I just it doesn't relate to me. Doesn't relate to me at all. So I don't use that. Plus it does. Okay, so it really chaps my lip. Afterwards I apply it, I really get those dead skin type thing, or I have to rub it off. So I don't like it. This, however, this is imported, so you can probably find it from Amazon. I tried looking for cocoa butter flavor in a lot of local stores as well. Like, you have the local beauty stores. I went there, I searched online, I did not got it. This too, I was looking for a really long time, and I got it on Amazon, and I ordered right away. So this is another thing. Also, now talking about lip care, this is my personal experience. If you have not tried a lip scrub, please go ahead and give it a go, give it a shot. It comes in like teeny tiny bottles of 15 grams, but it is sufficient for, and it will last you for a really long time, even if you are scrubbing your lips twice a week, right? So it will help you out. I'm sorry if I go out of focus, it just gives a dark red. I just noticed right now, so sorry for that. So yes, that please go ahead and try a lip scrub. It doesn't dry out your lips. Try a good lip scrub. I purchased one. It was a pack of 2 again. I purchased one from the company called Ilana on Nykaa. So you can go ahead and check a variety of lip scrubs. So when I do my skincare routine weekly, as in when I apply a pack or when I do a scrub, I don't do it on a usual basis. I mean, as in on a regular basis, maybe twice a week or once a week probably, especially now that I don't go out at all rather. So yeah, is when I use that lip scrub. So you can definitely do that. You can, whatever lip scrubs you like, you can do that. Trust me guys, if you want to buy those high-end lip scrubs, you can, if your budget allows, because like I said, it will last you forever. You only need to take a little peace signs on your hand and you just scrub your lips with that. You don't need a whole lot of it, so it will last forever. Now another thing I got, I really liked it. I don't know, I have this thing, I don't know how many of you have. I have this thing when I want the color of my breakfast plates, the small size plates should meet the color of my teacup also. I think it's a very pretty thing in the morning to have all things synchronized. So previously I was having mint color plates, and I had a minty color mug I ordered too. This time I have a white and a pinkish color, so I ordered this. This is a pastel pink, nice, sturdy mug. It's a very good mug. It's a ceramic mug. This is from the company called the Earth store, right? So this I got from Flipkart. It was very economic. It was from 230 to 40. This is, and look, have a look inside. It's not broken. There's no rough particles at the bottom or on the side. It is a really good mug, and I will definitely be ordering more from there in the times to come. And this is a beautiful pastel pink shade. So those of you who are a fan of pastel pinks, you can definitely go for there on Flipkart to the old store, and you can order this. Also, I just realized that I'm taking all these brand names. Some of you might think that this is a sponsored video. No, this is not. This is my first one. I wish it was sponsored, but it isn't. Okay, let us move forward then. Oh, this is really good. I don't even know how it will come because the light keeps going back. I promise next time it will be much better. Right now I'm not even sure of the sound quality though. Okay. Now, what there's another thing. See, previously I used to use this, and in fact a lot of us do use this room fresheners, right? I have two of them. Almost, this one is almost full, this one is a new bottle. I haven't opened it. This is in lavender mist, this is in jasmine. So the thing about these kind of spray room fresheners is that once you spray it, it will stay in your room for about what, 10-15 minutes, half an hour, right? And it just goes away, the fragrance, it just goes away. You can't feel your room, you can't feel the fragrance in your room after that time. However, for a person like me, I really like a good smelling room, right? So I do have diffusers, I do have room fresheners, and those things. But I found a better alternative, which is air pockets. Yes, so these air pockets do come in different kinds of fragrances. You can definitely choose your favorite, and I have one of these, at least one of these in each room. So for my drawing room I have two of these hanging, and for my bedroom as well. Then on the rest of the rooms, even in my veranda, and the stairs that I've got there, because they really do smell fresh. Okay, so the thing is that when you open them and the packet is new, you will definitely, when you enter the room, you will definitely feel that freshness. However, yes, the freshness slowly does fade away, but it definitely lasts longer as compared to the room fresheners. So a big pack of this comes, so I take 13 of these. Now switch to these. I take 13 of these for my whole house. So if you're not, someone who does not like too strong smell, you can put one or two as well. It will freshen your room up. But I definitely think that the switch from room freshener to air pocket is a really good one in terms of long lasting fragrance and freshness in your room. It will definitely last long, hands down. So you can give it a try. And my camera is a bit shaky, sorry for that. Right, the last thing I have got is this. Now this is a pet comb. So I have a cat. So I'll show it to you in the coming videos. I have a Sanfenio parrot. I have a cat, and it's a beautiful cat. So I'll show it to you. So I've got this for her. It's just comb her hair and just let those hairs, bad hair falls off her body. Else, if you don't brush your pet, like if you have a dog or a cat, if you don't brush them on a regular basis, see, they will have hair fall eventually, and that will fall on your sofa, that will fall on your bed, and on your clothes. Everywhere there will be hair fall. So to prevent that, you must really brush your pet, depending again on the coat size of your pet. If you've got a pet who has a lot of chunk of hair on their body, then yes, twice a day is a good option. Then also, if you observe that there is still a lot of hair fall, you should definitely consult a veterinarian. However, but this is a good and cheaper option. This is a good practice. Please brush your pets, even if they are not having a lot of hair fall. If it is a short coat pet that you have, once a day at least you should do it. Anyway, see, it's a myth that no pet sheds. Sorry, I said just as a pet. No pet shed, it's a myth. So every pet sheds. So whenever you're getting a pet, of course, be ready for that, and you have to invest in their accessories. So this is a good purchase. So what it does is, you pet your pet like this, you comb your pet like this, right? As it feels like, it also gives them scratches, so they do feel good. It is not hard at all. So it is not pulling out their body hair. It's only pulling out the hair which is already about to fall, right? The weak hairs, which will eventually fall out when they play or something like that, lay around, or just scratch themselves, on the floor or on the sides of your furniture. So yeah, it will eventually fall. So it's better to brush it out. So once you just brush it out like this, and if you want, the hair will be catching up here. Now to release the hair, how to take it out of the comb, there's a button over here, right? So you just push this, you push up this button, and it lifts up, right? See, it lifts up, so all the hair will pop up, and you can just collect the hair from here, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's that. Sorry about that. I just have cold allergies. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's that. Alright then, guys. So I think I'll show a lot of products in the first video. I These products is my personal experience. Like I said, these are not sponsored products. This is something from my own personal experience that I've experienced that they worked well for me. Making small changes in terms of saving the money, in terms of taste buds, in terms of food. In terms of skincare, this has really worked well for me, and I really do hope it does work well for you. I will definitely try to put the link down below for all these products. Since I'm new, eh, I'll definitely try, like I said. In case I forget anything, and if you do like anything in the product, you can definitely comment down below and ask. I'll let you know where you can get this product. I'll share the link with you personally, so I'll do that. And there are a lot of things that are still to come for this month start. And I'll also introduce you to my pets. I'm sure you're gonna love them. And please support my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. If there's anything else you want me to make a video of, you can definitely let me know. Thank you so much for the time, guys. You take care of yourself, and also guys, you be safe. Okay, bye.